Welcome back to sunny Findlay, Ohio. I'm Mike Noward, and today we're going to be talking about our new and improved sand can buckets. This is the WorkBrow Sand Can. It's built for soft conditions like sand, silt, topsoil, and dirt. Instead of teeth, you're going to get a smooth, hardened steel beveled edge that cuts clean and reduces the need for GET replacement. No teeth also means no snagging of utilities when you're trenching. The open top is designed to maximize bucket capacity at every pass. It's going to help you move more material per cycle and drive more profit over time. But that being said, some people are going to want to keep the material from spilling out over the back, so covers are available upon request. It's really 100% end user preference. Now, the round bottom design is especially great for pipe crews. It helps center the pipe in the trench and cuts down on how much material you need to bring back in. It's going to save you time, it's going to save you money over those long runs of backfill. You typically see these up north in North Dakota, Minnesota, Western Wisconsin, where you see soft conditions each and every day. If you're going to get into rock, this is not really a rock bucket. So if you're working in rock or hard material, this is not the right tool. We'd recommend our heavy duty or severe duty bucket. This is going to be available in widths from 18 to 84 inches. Custom widths are available upon request, and as far as pricing goes, we're roughly in the $4,000 to $45,000 MSRP. It's a purpose-built bucket for guys moving a lot of sand and material super fast. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm Mike Noward with WorkBrow. Subscribe for more content. We'll keep bringing it to you. We'll see you again soon.